We're playing Project Pokemon. Like and subscribe to my channel and leave a comment below if you like the Pokemon I have. I didn't even know that Electabuzz was a Pokemon, but it is. I found him.
I'm gonna turn on.
Guys, leave it in the comments if you want me to show you where you can get Electabuzz. He's pretty sweet and super strong. I used him.
Hey!
Can I have any more potions?
Let's party.
Dude, really? They don't want to hear that. It's cuss words and stuff.
I'm sorry, you guys. Oh, my teeth is clean.
Hello, YouTube. Ever since I found out that I could do the circle thingy, then I just always do it. Leave it in the comments if you don't want to see my face. On my whole YouTube channel, I've only had one comment, and that's from
me. That's
Amarion Howard. He said, "Wow, Seven." That's the only comment I've ever had.
I didn't mean to do that. Sorry, guys.
Okay, let's see.
Don't you understand? Do you like this dumb song?
Oh, the camera is on. I thought it wasn't.
Turn that stupid song.
Rapidash. What the heck? Air Slash. Air Slash again. What? Oh, I thought my attack missed. No! I hate you, Rapidash. I have to use a hyper potion. My Charizard's almost dead. I just healed my Charizard! I think the only move that can hurt this thing is Air Slash.
I don't ask for questions. I don't handle business. I don't ask for questions.
Ooh, my Charizard grew. Level, whatever. And then, I gotta heal my Pokemon. I need to heal my Charizard. My Charizard have 200 health now. I was waiting until that would happen. My battery is so low. I don't want to lose this. Every time I block them, every time I heal my Pokemon, it's just going to bring my health back down.
Quit it.
Oh, you flinched? There we go. I destroyed you. You fool. Don't flinch. What? Go ahead.
Okay, I'm going This is my song, guys.
I had to go somewhere else because that's a little bit too noisy. I think I'm destroyed here, guys. I'm destroyed. I have no chance of winning. I have no more potions. And this person has too much Pokemon. And his Pokemon's too strong. I win! Oh, I hate hurricane. Okay, never mind. I think I'm gonna lose now. We actually did a lot of damage. Right when I was doing so much damage, it had to die. It didn't even let a little bit of health come. It didn't let a little bit of health be able to stand. Not a little bit. You're mean. Yay! You let me hit you once. You'll be super nice if you let me hit you again. Cause all I have to do is hit you once to finish you anyway. Yes! I won! Yes, guys! I won! I've been reduced to ashes. Here, have the volcano badge. Oh my gosh, I only have one more badge to get. I got my volcano badge. All I have to do is get one more badge. And that's my last badge. Dudes, I am so excited. Okay. I'm just gonna say this. I finally beat him. I lost to him like 30 times. And this time I finally beat him. I feel so good. I beat him. Finally. I need to win my only last badge. Okay? Guys, like and subscribe to my channel. I really thought I was dead meat, but I actually wasn't. Oh my gosh. I thought I was dead meat, but I was not. Leave some comments, because I only have one comment, and that's from Marion Howard, and he has a YouTube channel too. And he's also my friend. Okay. Well, oh yeah, I forgot. I can't fall off. I thought I was going to. So for the next battle, I'm going to need lots of potions. First, I'm going to heal my Pokemon. Then I'm just going to end this video. I'm so hyped right now. All I need is my last badge. And I don't even have much Pokemon. I only have 30 Pokemon in my Pokédex. So guys, like and subscribe to my channel if you did it, and leave a comment below. I already said like my videos, but I already said all of that. But so guys, bye. I'll see you in the next video. That's me trying to earn my last badge. I need to train for that.